Hey there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for how to disable the check engine light permanently? In this video, we will look at how you can turn off the check engine light and permanently delete check engine light codes. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Your check engine light is naturally triggered when it spots a hitch with your emission control system. The check engine light produces a cipher that can help you detect the error in your automobile for easy rectification. If the code refuses to resolve automatically, it may require you to manually reorganize the light after maintenance. Check engine lights could be fixed by utilizing a code scanner. This may not be applicable for cars manufactured before 1996. All they have to do for these automobiles is just to sever connections from the battery to reset the light. If your check engine light refuses to go off after you've turned it on, the fault may be from the car's computer system. In some cases, the computer needs to be well informed that the problem has been rectified. Now, you might want to know how to permanently disable the check engine light so that it can take care of the issue. If your car's fault is displayed on the onboard computer system, the check engine light trips on. When the trouble is remedied, the engine light doesn't mechanically trip off. This can be quite infuriating and may deter you from rectifying potential faults that the car's mainframe may be trying to caution you about. It is possible for the check engine light to still be on due to an error in your engine. So, before trying to disable the check engine light permanently, it is imperative to be certain that there is no slip-up in your engine. Let's look at two methods to disable the check engine permanently. Method 1. How to disable the check engine light permanently. 1. Drive the car and allow the check engine light to go off. The first technique is driving in time. Most of the mainframe will retune all issues that triggered the check engine light to activate numerous times. Just keep driving your car to wherever you wish to go. If the check engine light is still on after 3 days, it means the matter wasn't rectified, and you could undertake the alternatives mentioned below. 2. Turn the automobile on and off thrice. To permanently disable the check engine light in some automobiles, they will robotically reset the problem codes that triggered the earliest fault after the car is put on and off thrice in progression. You have to turn on your ignition. Then go over this procedure twice consecutively before driving your car. This should disable the check engine light permanently. 3. Separate and reconnect the battery. To achieve this, the open hood of the vehicle uses a wrench. Separate the positive power cable connected to the battery through the wrench. Disengage the battery and leave like that for about 20 minutes. Turn on the ignition thrice to the on point. This should wipe out the records from memory. Then proceed to join the positive battery cable and on the automobile ignition. Wait for a minute and observe the check engine light error. 4. Use an OBD code reader. You can also permanently disable the check engine light using a wrench and an OBD reader. These economic readers examine and clear engine codes. To achieve this, attach the reader to the car's OBD port, which is situated underneath the dash area. It may require you to take out the fuse box door. Immediately you connect the reader and press the enter button. This ought to inspect your engine for error codes. All error codes detected will be displayed by the reader. Then scroll to find the alternative to wipe out the code. Press enter to remove the fault code and reorganize the check engine light. Method 2. Which fuse controls check engine light? You can try detaching the battery terminal for about 20 seconds and observe if it helps in eliminating the check engine light. The ECM has about 6 codes linked to the fitness of the ECM. Scrutinize it to be certain if any subsist. It is suitable to change the bulb for your check engine light as this is the most palpable signal. Manage the principal part of the palpable cause before investigating more inaccessible areas. The fuse that reigns the check engine light is akin to the small yellow box-like item situated on the lower left corner, with two 10mm fuses. It's a double fuse on the fuse box beneath the dash and reads room/plafond. The light should automatically come on when you turn the ignition key to the on position and should go out when the engine comes on. If it refuses to come on, then the issue may be from the bulb. In most cases, check engine lights ground via the ECM. So, if the bulb is okay, it could point to an ECM defect. Let's next look at how to remove the check engine light fuse. How to remove check engine light fuse. To remove the check engine light fuse, you can use a code scanner or unplug the battery. Onboard diagnostics, OBD, scanners are most appropriate for automobiles manufactured after 1996. Automobiles produced after the 1990s may not have an OBD port beneath the control panel. If they do, it may require you to use a different scanner. Check beneath the navigation column to trace the port, then bond the cord attached to the scanner to the port. Put the ignition key and turn and switch to on without turning on the car. Immediately the lights on the dash come on. Turn off all the frills of the automobile, and then press the read knob on the scanner to inspect the check engine light code. The symbols will be a series of letters and numbers. Make sure all the codes are taken down to quickly figure out what they symbolize and make the needed rectification. Push the erase/clear knob on your scanner, then turn off the key and detach it. Get rid of the negative cable from the battery. Deplete residual electrical energy from the capacitor. Wait for approximately 15 minutes, and connect back your battery. Leaving the battery detached for about 20 minutes will ensure the automobile systems will reorganize when you connect the battery. How to permanently delete engine codes. It is wrong for you to permanently delete engine codes without first resolving the basis of the drawback. It might be that the light is on due to the gas lid being unfastened. It might even be that there's a high temperature in your transmission, which is on the brink of going out. You can permanently delete the engine codes by making use of an OBD2 scanner. They can easily tell you if there's any fault. So, on how to permanently delete engine codes, park your car on level ground and engage the parking brake. Open the hood and separate the black cable from the battery while using a simple wrench to slacken the clamps. Remove the red cable from the battery. These cables must never come in contact. Switch the ignition to the on and off points approximately 5 times. Push on the horn knob in the steering wheel and hold for 30 seconds. Connect back the wire to the car battery and continue with the plus terminal, followed by the terminal. Tighten the clamps. Start your automobile and let the engine heat up. The check engine light should automatically go off. In conclusion, you don't need to get worked up when your check engine light trips, indicating a setback. Your vehicle is still very much drivable. If you aren't with a tool, it is best to consult a proficient mechanic to rectify the issue. You must never clear engine codes without determining the foundation of the trouble code and rectifying it. You can get your OBD2 scan tool for around $20. Wireless OBD2 scanners are ultimate and can connect effortlessly with your smartphone or tablet. The methods we thrashed out above will assist you in eliminating any bothersome check engine lights and make room for new faults to be shown appropriately. If you like this video, please, don't forget to like and share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this.